Hey everyone, welcome back. Let's talk about email today. Everyone has at least one email account, and sometimes even more. You might have a personal email account, an email account for your job, and if you have a side hustle, you might have an email account for that. And you might want to access them all at the same time. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up all those emails on your iPhone. All right, let's get started.
All right, on your iPhone, open up the Settings app and scroll down to where you see Mail. Click on Mail, and then click on the Accounts button. And then once you're on there, click on Add Account, and then click on the option that best suits what you need. iCloud's going to be for your Apple accounts. Microsoft Exchange is most likely going to be if you have a work account or if you're using Office 365. Google's going to be for Gmail accounts or Google Workplace accounts, and then you have Yahoo, Outlook, AOL, and then other. Other accounts are going to be like if you have specific email server settings that your company or your email provider wants you to use. All right, you're going to walk through the process to set up your account. And once you've done that, you'll be back at this screen. And then to set up on your second account, go to Add Account again and follow the same process. Now that you've added those accounts, you have a couple options on what you want to do with those. So you can click on the email account that's been created, and then you can choose if you want to see the mail from that account, if you want to see the contacts, calendars, or if you want to sync any notes to that account. So you'll have that option for all the accounts that you have activated. The next thing that you want to see is now we've put our email accounts on our phone. How do I see those email accounts? Well, how you're going to do that is you're going to go back to your home screen, and then you're going to click on the Mail app on wherever you have that at. And then you can go to your mailbox, and then you're going to see all inboxes, and all inboxes is going to show you all of the inboxes combined of all of your email accounts together. So if you have multiple email accounts like we're doing in this video, you're going to see all the emails combined into one inbox, which can be super handy if you just want to see all the emails you have together. But it can be a little confusing because you don't know which email you got that from unless you click on the email to see what it does. If you would like to see the email inbox of just a specific email account, you can click right here on the email, and then you're going to see emails right there. And you can keep kind of going through. Now, if you want to see specific folders, like say like your sent items, or if you have a draft, or maybe a trash, or any other labels or folders that you have set up, you can scroll down, and then you'll see that each email account you have set up has its label at the top, and then all the folders that are attached to that.
Thank you so much for watching this video today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any follow-up questions, please leave them in the comments below. We'll see you in the next one.